Tuh-Tuh-Tennessee, Scopes is trying to beat a case for putting evolution in the children's face. Town of Dayton, Tennessee is the place where John Scopes cracking laws like a vase. Clarence Darrow wants to rep him all day. Jennings Bryan wants to put him away. Darrow eating food while Bryan saying grace. He's gonna throw the fundamentals in your face. The town is filling up with new guests every day. Nationwide reporters coming all this way. H.L. Mencken tells us what happened today. Called it a monkey trial just for fun and play. ACLU civil liberties to save, but Tennesseans, they don't want to go that way. Darwinism got the fundamentalists snappy. Deny the Bible, boy, you not gonna be happy. 1920s is the decade where it's happening. Scopes on the job teaching natural selection. In the textbook there's a chapter all about it, but the law says that the teacher shouldn't shout it. Modernism, Tennessee don't want that action. Read the Bible, it is clear about past tense. Genesis, the creation of Adam. 6,000 years since the first sir and madam. Tuh-Tuh-Tennessee, Scopes is trying to beat a case for putting evolution in the children's face. In the courtroom, hot up in this place. Go outside, get some fresh air in my face. Tennessee, Scopes is trying to beat a case for putting evolution in the children's face.